Hi, this is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. In this video, I'm going to share with you some color swatches that I have made for Photoshop. These swatches will be available in my Patreon page, and I will leave a link to that in the description below. Spoonflower is a print-on-demand company where you can set up a designer shop and upload your patterns to be sold on various products, including fabric, wallpaper, and home decor items. When looking on Spoonflower, one thing you'll notice that if when you go to search is you do have the option to filter or search by color here, and you'll see that there are various options for white, gray, pink, just the different colors that you can look at here. And so basically what I've done with these swatches is I've gone through these drop down areas and I have selected a color for each of these colors, and I've created a swatch in Photoshop. So for example, if we go to green and we search for maybe something mint green, we can see that it will pull up results related to that color. So color is one way someone might find your patterns on Spoonflower. So I just wanted to create this helpful Photoshop swatches that you can use in your designs as well. So with the download, you are going to get two files here. You'll get a .aco file, and that is the file that you'll load into Photoshop. And then also included is this PDF. This PDF just offers a visual representation of the color with the color name and the corresponding hex code. And I've gone through just the various colors here. So we see our greens, our blues, our cyans, our purple, pink, and then we get into the gray, black, white shades, as well as the brown here. So this is included as a reference for you. To load the swatch files in Photoshop, you'll want to open your swatches panel. So go to Window and select Swatches here. And then from the menu icon here, just click to Import Swatches. From here, you'll want to navigate to the file that has the .aco ending. You'll want to click on it and open it. Once you have it loaded, here I have basic colors, Lemon Paper Lab. I'm going to hit the drop down menu. And here we have a folder for each of the different colors. So we have our red, our orange, our yellow, our various colors. And what you'll notice that when you hover over it is it will bring up the color name. That way you can see the different color names associated with the swatch. Also within the swatch panel, you do have the option to use the search. So if I want to find my mint green, we can see our mint green color here. So I did label each of the colors. That way you can know what they are. Here I have a pattern pulled up and I have a color fill layer. And so I can easily just try different colors related to this pattern, and when you go to upload it, you can use that as a tag and use the color keyword in your title or your description to help your pattern be found. So I hope you find this color swatches useful when designing patterns and selecting colors for your pattern. Again, these color swatches will be available on my Patreon page, and I will leave a link to that in the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. This is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. See you next time.